And I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way for no one. Continue. Hi and welcome to the channel. Let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the F major played with the C, the F, and the A, and the bass note of F. Then you will have the A sharp major played with the D, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. Then G minor, played with the D, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of G. And then D sharp major, played with the D sharp, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. As always, feel free to download the PDF file associated to this song so that you have an even better understanding of the structure. Let's learn the introduction of this song, which is nothing more than the A sharp note played 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then right after this, we will have the first verse. So here's the table for that section. So take the first chord, A sharp major, and play it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? And then play the G minor the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then D sharp major. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the A sharp major again, but 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now with the lyrics, it should sound like this. I got my driver's license last week, just like we always talked about. Cause you were so excited for me to finally drive up to your house. But today I drove through the suburbs, crying cause you weren't around. And repeat the table one last time with the next lyrics. Here I'm only singing excerpts because you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. So once you played that table twice, you will reach the chorus and you will have a different table. So here it is. Also notice that the bass notes have been doubled. And I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way for no one. Continue. And I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. And here pay attention because the next 4 chords are only played 2 times. So, guess you didn't mean what you wrote in that song about me. Cause you said forever, now I drive alone past your street. Okay? So the second verse and the second chorus are going to be played exactly like the first one, so simply repeat what you just did from the first verse one more time. Then after the second chorus, you will have a bridge and you will have a different chord order and also a different playing style for this specific section. So here's the corresponding table. So take the first chord and play it like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Okay, so 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. Then D sharp major. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. A sharp major. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and F major. Okay, so with the lyrics, it should sound like this. Red lights, stop signs, I still see your face in the white cars, front yards, can't drive past the places we repeat. used to go to, 'cause I still fucking love you, babe. Ooh. Sidewalks. Repeat the table. So to complete the bridge, you will need to play this table 4 times in total. And then you'll be able to finish the song reusing the chorus table. I wish you good luck for that one, and I'll see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.